Imagine walking into a room and feeling the air shift simply because you exist, but beneath that effortless power lies a silent, structural vulnerability that most people never see. We often mistake high-level physical beauty for emotional armor, yet for those who have lived their entire lives behind a perfect mask, the psychological reality is frequently the opposite. From the moment a woman's appearance becomes her primary currency, her brain begins to rewire itself around a dangerous feedback loop where her internal worth is dictated by the eyes of others. When the world consistently offers shorter lines, quicker forgiveness, and constant validation, the nervous system stops developing its own internal compass and starts relying on the steady drip of external approval to feel safe. It's a subtle form of conditioning. If you are always being chosen, you never actually learn how to choose yourself. This creates a fragile psychological baseline where attention isn't a luxury, it's oxygen. The moment that spotlight dims or a partner's focus shifts, the brain doesn't just feel a lack of interest. It registers a total loss of identity, triggering a cascade of anxiety and hypervigilance that looks like instability but is actually a desperate search for a missing signal. In a digital age where this validation is quantified by numbers on a screen, the threshold for feeling seen keeps rising, making genuine, quiet stability feel like a desert. The great irony is that the very trait we envy, that magnetic, aesthetic perfection, is often the thing that prevents a person from building a foundation that can survive when the room goes quiet. We are taught to be hypnotized by the surface, but the deepest truth in psychology is that attraction is a biological reflex while compatibility is a structural achievement. To truly understand the person in front of you, you have to look past the glow of the spotlight and ask who is left standing when the audience finally goes home, because a person built on reactions will always crumble in the silence of reality.